Hey guys, it's BG, and it's that time of year again. Time for the 48-hour group build. It's going to be starting on Friday, July 19th. And of course, that starts at 8 p.m. your time if you're joining in, or if you want to join in. I'm sure you've heard about it by now, hopefully. But yeah, we've got a kit all picked out, ready to go. This one's the kit that we've decided to choose. And I'm kind of excited about this one. I did pick this up several years ago in the hopes that this would become a 48-hour group build selection at one point. We're going to go through and show you what's all included in the kit, and then kind of discuss our plan for it. But not too fancy. I really like the box art. The decal set that comes with it is pretty basic. We do have some nice looking stuff for the exterior, of course. Doesn't look like we have anything for gauges. It's just all exterior. But I'm thinking that the tan decals with the tan color, body color, and then maybe a little bit of a darker interior color. But I do want to do a little bit of weathering. I figure this is supposed to be from 1980, and figure this guy has probably been going down to the river or the lake. You know, it comes with a little raft or dinghy. Figure this guy's going to be putting it in the water, taking it out of the water. It's going to get wet. Plus, vintage Toyotas like this probably do have a little bit of rust on them here and there, maybe a ding or two. So we're going to do a little bit of weathering on it just to up the ante. So we get to have some fun that way while we just build a nice, honest little snap fit kit. So there we go. So let's take a look what's in the box. So AMT, we got this. I think this was released in 2018. I can't recall. That's what the box. That's what the box info says. But I got this a little while ago with the intention of one day doing this for the 48-hour group build. It is molded in this very pale tan color, which is neither here nor there. I think that's fine. One thing I do have a question about here is this looks like it actually has some weird type of windows that would have been on maybe a camper shell perhaps, or a trailer. I don't know. Maybe this was there was a different version of this, or this is just something that was on a different gate. I'm not quite sure. These look like they're the tail lights, and of course the front and rear glass all molded together. So that's pretty cool. And then let's see, instructions. The instructions are quite large. Which I think is cool because I can't even get it all on frame here, but I think it's cool, especially if this is designed for a younger builder. Having large instructions is going to be kind of a nice thing. Remember back in the day when you'd open up one of these kits and it would have just like a 3x5 card of instructions like this, you know? So in my older years, I'm liking the larger instruction booklet. Got our decals here. We saw them on the side of the box. We're not going to open these up just yet so that they stay protected. And then this guy, I mean, it's got, we are going to bust this open. We're not starting the kit. We're just going to pop it open and take a look at what we got. That's okay. That is in Craig's stipulations for the rules, it is okay to do that. So parts are falling off already. This thing wants to get built. What's that? Oh, that's the it's upside down there, BG. There we go. There we go. That's a nice looking grill. Okay, cool. No chrome in the kit, so that's kind of interesting. Nice looking body. Dude, these are on here to protect this, but they're actually, I don't know, if we file those a little bit, those are actually pretty cool. That could be handy. Interesting. Okay. So it's a pretty good looking body shell. It looks like they could have made, well, it's all joined together. I was going to say could have done a forerunner out of this, but it's all joined together. So it looks like there's just a blank front here that we press our pieces into. Pretty standard for a snap together kit. And we got some molding on the side. It says 4-wheel drive. Yeah, this looks good. Doesn't look like it's warped. Not to my eye anyway. But yeah, that's going to be sweet. Here's our chassis piece. Everything's molded in, of course, which is fine. It's just going to be a little bit of hand painting here and there. We'll just base it in a color, do a little bit of factory overspray, and then continue on from there. But at least the rear suspension and drive shaft are not actually molded in place, so that's cool. So there's that. We only get the option of the left-hand drive version, and that's fine. Here's our spare tire cover with the actually got a back to it, so it's not just a hollow piece. Shift levers, and then front suspension. Yes, yep, that's front suspension. Okay, a little bit of cleanup on there, but otherwise kind of chunky but robust. And then here's our roll bars. Nice. I like the lights on there. That's fun. Take a look at those in a second. Our little dinghy or raft. That might be cool. Oh, it's got some oars molded on there. Interesting. Okay. Okay. So what we need to have is an Indiana Jones, a Willie Scott, and a short round on there falling out of an airplane. Oh, look at here. We've got an actual insert for the bed. That's kind of interesting. I haven't seen that done before. That's kind of cool. Let's see, these tabs here look like they're going to just slot into the back of the truck, I suspect. Cool. But yeah, this will make this so much easier to paint this as a bed liner color. That's going to be slick. Got our push bar up front. That's pretty robust looking. And then our rear bulkhead. And then wheel backs. And then for the wheels, again, no chrome. On the box art, they have these painted like the same color as the truck, but I think maybe an off-white color, you know, might be kind of cool, like a Tamiya Racing White, which is just a few shades paler than what this is, but I think that might be cool. Now, these aren't supposed to be steel. They look like they should be like an aluminum wheel, so that's... All right, I'm already second guessing myself. But this is why we go through it ahead of time so we can make the plan. And our steering wheel, which is actually pretty good looking. This makes me think of what would have been in a Celica of the era. So that's kind of nice. So there we go. That's going to be the kit. The plan is very, very basic. Like I went over, we're going to do tan color, maybe a little bit darker color for the interior, and then a little bit of weathering, and see if we can't figure out a way to rig that so we can put that raft on there and make it look legit. So there we go. All right, guys. Hope you guys follow along with the build. I'm going to be watching as many videos as I can, so we'll see how we do with that. But y'all take it easy. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.